According to the Bible, Christian is not a religion name. Instead, it is a biblical term referring to people who follow the Christ. Act 11, verse 26. And when he had found him, he brought him unto Antioch. And it came to pass that the whole year they assembled themselves with the church, and taught much people. And the disciples were called Christians first in Antioch. Look at phrase the disciples were called Christians. This phrase indicates that term Christians here refers to disciples instead of religion name. Back to question, did Jesus follow Christian religion? The answer is no, because Christian is not a religion name.